doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing and you're welcome to my channel. So it's been a while. The question I've been asked over time is, where have you been, madam? Anyway, here I am reporting live in the kitchen. So what am I going to be doing today? Actually, boredom is making me to do this video. It's been a struggle for me coming back on camera after I left all this while, but I am back today and it seems to be a pretty good day. So today what we'll be doing is very simple. I'm going to be experimenting a particular meal type. It's almost dinner time. Sorry, it's actually after dinner time for me, and I just decided to make this video and bring you guys along as I prepare my dinner. So I'm going to be making something that I will be calling green rice. Yeah, just the way we have the jollof rice. Now I'm going to be making it in a different version called the green rice. So over here, so with me here, I'm going to be using this ingredient right here on my table: the vegetable stock, some habanero chili, some onions, of course, ginger and garlic, some spinach, spring onions. I have my salmon, some crayfish. I have here some cashew nuts. In here I have some cashew nuts that I will be toasting for the dressing, and right here I have bacon. So why did I put my bacon in warm water? My friend actually taught me a trick on how to reduce the salt in your bacon, and that's by soaking it in warm water for a while or put it in the microwave for some minutes. So that's done, and what I'll just be doing is to take it out when I'm ready, chop it into tiny pieces. So I understand it's been a trying time for most of us. Staying at home is very essential to reduce the spread of the virus, but all the same, we cannot just be sitting down at home. I hope you're checking your mental state. I hope you're trying to get creative with some of the things you're doing. I hope you're using this time to build up on the skills that you've never had the time to do. I hope you're using this time in the best way possible. So if you ask me personally, what have you been doing? I'll tell you three things: sleeping, eating, and dancing. Okay, before you judge me, that's not my fault. I've only been changing from my night wear to my workout wear and then back to my night wear. No judgment is allowed. Okay guys, so I'm going to start preparing the food, and I hope it's not going to take a long time, as I hope it as I pray it doesn't, because I'm really famished and I hope this food get ready before time. So this is not a cooking tutorial or video, it's just a cook with me thing. You know, just let's cook together. And you know, I actually wore my clothes the wrong way. Nobody cares. Who knows? I told you, but don't tell anyone. Okay, so I'll be going into this blender. We'll be going in my spinach and the ginger, as well as my habanero and some onion. So that's what I'll be doing now. Knife, please be nice to me, don't cut my hand. So guys, for my rice, I do not have the normal parboiled rice that we use here. That's majorly like the Thai rice or Indian gate. So I'll be using the basmati rice, as it is in here. It's basmati rice, so I'll be measuring that out to rings before it all gets done. So I need just 2 cups of it. I'm the only one in the house, so for now I can do with the list that I want. 2 cups of it. It's already turning yellow. Been a while in the fridge. to pepper or chili, please, you can do it without it, or probably you just had half of that, half of a chili instead of adding two like I did. So I'll be adding in, I think this is 250 grams of spinach, and I already used some of this. I'll be adding in some crayfish or shrimp, or if you have shrimp powder, you could go with shrimp powder. Make it yours. You get it. Make it something you want to eat, like customize it to your taste. Brings that. This is very important for me because sometimes I do have trust issues with the product we do buy here. So this is the only way I can ascertain, like, see what I just said. Can you see that? I don't know what that is. It looks like a wire, or I don't know. Okay, so I'll be adding the vegetable stock right now. Some curry. Just reduce the heat to low heat now. I do not have fresh rosemary, so I'll be using the dry one that I currently have indoor. And some Italian seasoning. The blended condiments. The oil is on, that's why it's pouring it out. So I'll add more green stuff. Take it back on fire. throwing in some seasoning, salt, also be adding some white pepper, so guys, while I'm waiting for that to boil, I will start preparing my garnish or whatever I'm going to be using to garnish it, and that's toasted crunchy bacon and toasted cashew nuts. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare that while I wait for that to boil. I'm going to spend that time to wash the dishes that I used and wait for the next phase. When that is done, then I would go for my crispy bacon and cashew lemon. They say if life gives you lemon, you use to make lemonade. In this case, if life gives you lemon, because use it to enjoy your rice or your fish. Just use it to your advantage. So I have my plate here. Can you see it, guys? It looks sumptuous. Okay, guys, so it's time to actually taste what I have prepared. Okay, so there we go. Squeeze in some lemon. Just plaster me. God is good. If you guys are waiting for me to tell you how tasty this or yummy this meal is, guys, you'll be wasting your time. Just go to the store, get the ingredient, or enter your pantry, whatever it is, and make this dish right now. I am telling you, this is healthy, the bomb. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you want to see more of this. Share with your friends. This is a very wonderful meal that, honestly, guys, forget the food decoration. Hunger is my name right now. Oh Lord, I can't believe it. Oh Jesus. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, can you feel the crunch? Yummy. And the lemon gave it the zing that I just, oh Lord. I can't talk too much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.